Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js and npm on Windows and how to verify your installation. So let's begin. Open your browser and search for Node.js. Click on the first website, nodejs.org. This is the official website of Node.js. Once the website opens, go to the download section. Here you will see to select the versions. I will recommend it for most users to select LTS version, long-term support. Now here you will select your operating system. Choose Windows if you are using a Windows. Now here you select npm. Now just click on Windows installer to start downloading the setup file. Once the file is downloaded, and double click on the Node.js installer file. The Node.js setup wizard will open with a welcome message. Click next. The next step will show the license agreement. Then select I accept the terms and click next. Now you will see the destination folder where Node.js will be installed. By default it installs in C drive under program files. If you don't want to change it, simply click next. Next you will see the installation options. Leave everything as default and click next. Now here it is saying to additional tools. I don't want, just click next. And just click install and the installation process will begin. It will take few seconds to complete. Once the installation is completed, click finish to exit the setup. Now let's verify if Node.js and npm were installed correctly. Open your command prompt, go to your Windows search bar and just type cmd, then open your command prompt and type the following command to check the installed Node.js version. Just type node-v. If everything is fine, it will display the Node.js with version number. Next, check if npm is installed by typing npm-v. It should display an npm version number. To ensure that Node.js is working properly, let's run a small JavaScript program inside Node.js. Here you just type node. This starts the Node.js interactive environment. Now I want to print hello Node.js. Just write console.log hello node.js. Just click enter. It should display hello Node.js. Let's try some simple math operations. Console.log 54 plus 2. See here, it will print the output 56. Now let's see another example. Console.log 3 into 5. It prints 15. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and tested Node.js on Windows. That's it. Now you know how to install and set up Node.js and npm on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or face any issues, feel free to ask in the comments. Stay tuned for more tech guides and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.